Hello everyone, welcome to Maths Vedika. So this is the question of integration that was asked in CBSE Board Examination 2025. So I think this is long answer type question. So let's solve it. The question is, we have to integrate 1 by cos cube x into under root 2 sine 2x, and this question is of definite integration. We have to integrate it from 0 to pi by 4. So let's solve the question. Integration from 0 to pi by 4 dx by cos cube x root under 2 into formula of sine 2x is 2 sine x into cos x equal to integration from 0 to pi by 4 dx by cos cube x under root 2 into 2, that is 4. So 2 will come out, and under root sine x into cos x. Now this is equal to integration from 0 to pi by 4 dx by 2 into cos cube x into sine power half x, and under root cos x can be written as cos to the power half x. Now this is equal to integration from 0 to pi by 4 dx divided by 2 into cos cube x into cos half x into sine half x, which is equal to integration from 0 to pi by 4 dx divided by 2, and cos cube x into cos half x will be equal to cos 7 by 2 x into sine half x. Now let's multiply this denominator by cos half x. Then we need to divide it by the same so that the value does not change. Cos now we have from 0 to integration from 0 to pi by 4 dx divided by 2, and cos 7 by 2x when multiplied with cos 1 by 2x, this will be equal to cos 8 by 2x, which means cos to the power 4 x, and here sine half x divided by cos half x. Now this can be written as 1 by 2 is taken out from integration sign from 0 to pi by 4. Cos to the power 4x, 1 by cos to the power 4x can be written as sec 4x dx divided by sin half x by cos half x will be equal to tan half x. Now 1 by 2 integration from 0 to pi by 4, sec 4x, sec to the power 4x can be written as sec square x into sec square x divided by root under tan x dx. Now let tan x is equal to t, then dt by dx is equal to sec square x. So dt is equal to sec square x dx. When x is equal to 0 implies that tan 0 barabar 0, which is the value of t. Now when x is equal to pi by 4 implies that tan pi by 4 is equal to 1, which is the value of t. Now the integration becomes, which is equal to half. Now from 0 to 1, sec square x can be written as this sec square x, can be written as 1 plus tan square x this can be written as half from 0 to pi by 4, 1 plus tan square x sec square x divided by root under tan x dx. Now this is converted into dt form. So half from 0 to 1, 1 plus tan square x will be written as 1 plus t square. A sec square dx can be written as dt by root under tan x will be written as root under t. Okay, now we have to solve this integration. So half, now this integration from 0 to 1, 1 by root t dt plus integration from 0 to 1, t square by t to the power half dt. Now this will be written as 1 by 2 integration from 0 to 1 t to the power minus 1 by 2 dt plus integration from 0 to 1. Now t square divided by t to the power half will be, finally it will be t to the power 3 by 2 dt. 2 minus half will be equal to 3 by 2. So now this is equal to 1 by 2 from 0 to 1 plus t 3 by 2 plus 1 divided by 3 by 2 plus 1, and this is also from 0 to 1 is equal to half t to the power half divided by half from 0 to 1 plus t to the power 5 by 2 divided by 5 by 2 from 0 to 1. Now this is equal to 1 by 2 into 2 into t per power half from 0 to 1 plus 2 by 5 t to the power 5 by 2 from 0 to 1. Now this is equal to half. Now when we'll put the value of t at 0, then the value in this bracket becomes 0. So let's put the value of t as 1 minus plus 2 by 5 into 1 5 by 2 minus 2 by 5 into 0 per power 5 by 2. Now this is equal to half. 2 into 1 to the power half will be equal to 2, minus 2 into 0 is 0, plus 2 into 1 to the power 5 by 2, 2 by 5 into 1 to the power 5 by 2 is equal to 2 by 5 minus 0. Now this is equal to 2 into 2 plus 2 by 5, which is equal to, when the value in bracket is multiplied by 2, this is 1 plus 1 by 5, which is equal to 6 by 5. This is the final answer, which is the answer of definite integration. So I hope you understood the method. We'll next in some next session with another question. Thank you.